Okay, let's go. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Farhan bin Ahmad Ahir. Okay, so today I gathered all of you, the committee members, for our upcoming program. We will organize a program entitled Careership Campaign. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the secretary Nur Nadia is showing the PowerPoint slide for this campaign. Okay, first of all, our main objective conducting this campaign is to educate students towards their working life in the future. We want to develop and strengthen their teamwork skills and also their communications in teamwork environment. But that is not just all. By the end of the campaign, we want to help the students identify their passion and to narrow down their working path options. To put it simply, we want the student to discover their career choice at the end of this campaign. Okay, so this campaign will be a 2 days program starting on Saturday at 8 a.m. until 3 o'clock on Sunday. Okay, this campaign will take part at Dewan Sultan Mizan, DSM, of University Malaysia Terengganu. And we will be having 10,000 ringgit Malaysia for our budget. Okay, so each of you have been given some tasks to help me organize this program. Okay, so first of all, I would like to hear about the activities for this campaign. You can proceed.
Okay, my name is Arif Iskandar bin Muhammad Arun, and I'm the in charge for the activity. First and foremost, the day's first activities at 8 a.m. is briefing and ice breaking. This activity will be led by us, who are the members of the programs committee, for 2 hours until 10 a.m. And then after that, until 11, there is 1 hour break. The session will continue with talk from two invited speakers. Each speaker will speak for an hour and a half for total of 3 hours about career path. So until 1 p.m., the talk after the talk, there is lunch break for 1 hour, and then sharp at 2, we will divide the students into 10 groups, which is into 15 group, which is 10% for each group, and then they will be placed into groups based on their major, and then they will participate in team building activities based on their groups. We are going to perform a treasure hunt as a group activity. They will learn more how to collaborate in a group setting, and then at 7 to 8 is the break for the student to eat and prayers. And then the activity will continue with debate and preparation for the next day. They will discuss among themselves about their major. And then after the debate preparation is end, all the participants can have the rest for the day. For the second day, at 8 morning, they will start their day with breakfast. And then at 9 o'clock is the debate program. All the student and group will participate in the debate until 1 p.m. And then there will be 1 hour lunch break. At 2 until 3 is for the prizing ceremony for the treasure hunt activity and the debaters, also for the speaker. And then after the prizing ceremony is the end of the program. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so with our activities figured out, let's hear about our budget management. You can proceed.
Hello, my name is Nolaina Fakia binti Kamaruzaman. I am treasurer for our programs. The financial allocation for handling our programs is 10,000 ringgit. Firstly, the budget for our activities, treasure hunt, ice breaking, and debates is 650 ringgit. Next, pricing for our activities, the budget for treasure hunt is 500 ringgit and debate is 800 ringgit. The treasure hunt will give for only 5 groups that will be selected according to their score, but for debates will give hamper to all groups. The budget for food is 4,500 ringgit for 2 days and 1 night. This budget includes food for student, organization, and speaker. For other budget, banner and t-shirt for volunteer is 500 ringgit. Speaker fee for 2% is 1,600 ringgit. Accommodation for speaker is 250 ringgit and souvenir for speaker is 150 ringgit. Lastly, we still have balance 500 ringgit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, that is good. Okay, finally with our logistics, you can proceed.
Okay, I'm Ahmad Azizi bin Azmi. I will handle the HighCom logistics. Okay, for the accommodation, participant will be provide hostels, while the speaker will be provide the university house rest. So, we will provide 38 rooms in hostel for participator and 2 house rest for the speaker. Then, for the transportation, we will provide 2 buses for the participant to go to the DSM. This bus will run 2 trips to take the participant to the DSM. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, that is all great. Okay, so now that we have it all figured out, I will conclude this program. Okay, so we will conduct 2 days carriership campaign on Saturday and Sunday at Dewan Sultan Mizan DSM at University Malaysia Terengganu. We will have a talk by 2 invited speakers. We will have team building activities and treasure hunt, and finally ending the campaign with a debate and prizing session. So, any of you guys have any questions for this campaign?
Yes, I have a question. Before that, I am Nadia, secretary for this program. My question is, whom is the program open to? Which university? Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the Nadia questions. Okay, students that have been invited in this program is from this Terengganu area, which is UMT, UNIZA, and UITM Dungun.
Okay, any more questions?
Yes. Can I ask?
Yes, you can proceed.
All right. So usually, program like this will need a group of volunteers to help the committee students for the activity. So, how many of volunteers that we will need, and who are there? Thank you.
I will answer our question. We will provide 15 volunteers from University Malaysia Terengganu.
Okay, any more questions?
Me, I have another question. Last question. What are we planning to do with the excess money? That 550 ringgit. That's all.
Okay, so I will answer this question personally. Okay, so for the extra budget, I think we will be given evenly to each of you guys, the committee members, uh, for the budget, for the extra budget. Yep. Okay, any more questions? Do you guys have any more questions?
No.
No.
Okay, so I think that is all for our meeting today. Thank you for your cooperation and good luck for this upcoming campaign or program. So, meeting is dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Okay
Dia
dah.
angkat last kali tu kena kat tu.